Hey, Susan Huff, why don't you tell us the role that you're playing here, how you got involved with it to begin with, and now you're saying, oh my gosh, another year has come.
Another year. Well, we're happy to say yes, it's another year. It's my fifth of doing this health fair. We think it's something very, very important to this community, building awareness of not only our sector and what we do here, but also, helping a lot of the other people in the community build awareness for what they're doing, which is all about, seniors and the community at large. That's why we branched out this year. We want to get as many people involved, families, even children. We're giving the flu shots to children. It's just important. It's important to raise awareness. I do want to say we have such an incredible staff. They're all here today. Everybody who could be here today. They all work really hard. They love representing us. And they're here for a reason. They love their jobs.
More and more families are aging and they need help. There's so many resources out there and it's hard to know where to turn and what you can count on. And I feel it's really important to educate families who are going to be caregivers of their aging parent or another loved one to help them get organized and prepared to take on this role and be able to take care of themselves as well. It's very important. It's easy when you're in a crisis to get overwhelmed and stressed out and not be able to think straight about what is available to you. So I think it's very important for us to keep in contact with the community.
Saratoga Rotary with Saratoga Lions working together. We got the materials for inside our AJ health screening van.
Does this van go someplace every week? Is there?
We try to use it every weekend as best as we can. Different Lion clubs request it within our district, which is from King City to Milpitas. And we try to go with health fairs and other community events. I have people register, they sign their life away on a consent form, and then we take, the first machine does blood pressure as well as weight. We always have a registered nurse who does glucose testing that talks about diabetes, because diabetes obviously is one of the most important diseases of concern to lions because it deals with sight, and that is our mission, to work with sight. And diabetes is a leading cause of blindness in preventable blindness. And then we have people in there doing eye testing as well as hearing. So between the 4 functions inside, we keep very busy during health fairs.
This class is for Tai Chi. That's exercise you have coordinated with your mind, your hand, and foot. Most important, you have the very balanced situation, and you have to do the coordination. So you balance and coordination and relax. So this
balance, coordination, and
relax. Yeah, and this one nowadays most of the doctor recommended for senior people because the most important things, they have to have the strong leg, then they are not falling down. So Tai Chi is very emphasized on your strong legs, and you stay very stable and tell you how to balance yourself. And this is a low impact exercise, so it's not like aerobic or other things that the people cannot do it. But this one is low impact. You can do it very slowly, elegant, and train yourself.
I'm just here to support the seniors in our community, and this event is exactly that. It gives an opportunity for the various vendors that you see here in this room that provide services for seniors, an opportunity to introduce themselves to those individuals. And then of course it's a fun event, so if you notice they have the food trucks out front with all that wonderful food. If you haven't tried yet, the waffle truck is to die for. I already indulged in that myself already. And then of course they have the jumpy house for the children. And so it's more of a family event, although it is focused around seniors, and it is a little bit of a fundraiser for our senior center. As you know, they need the money to keep the program going. It's a function that they provide services to our seniors at very low cost or no cost, and so as a result, they need to run these fundraisers from time to time to keep themselves alive.